Hello and welcome back once again. My name is Chioma, and if this is your first time, you are very welcome to Mommy's Yum. I'm going to be making akara today without using any mixer. As you can see, the akara looks really lovely. I didn't use any mixer. Actually make yours too if you haven't got a hand mixer. Keep glued to your screen and see how I made mine. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Mommy's Yum by clicking the subscribe button below. Don't forget to click the notification button too so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Akara is a filling breakfast enjoyed by children and adults, and once you make it well, everybody loves it. They can have it with porridge, they can have it with pap, which is the main thing that we always like having it with. Akara is made with beans, and you can either use these brown beans, which I'm going to use today, or you can use black-eyed beans. Black-eyed beans is normally more difficult to peel because you need to peel off the back. So I'm going to peel off the back of mine, and I use my food processor, which makes it easier for me to peel it off without any difficulty. You can see how it goes easily. I've made a full video of how I peel my beans in the food processor, or also with a blender if you don't have a food processor. You can check the link in the description box below. My beans is all clean and fresh now, and then I'm going to blend it with my blender. So I'm going to be adding my onions and a little bit of pepper. Remember, I'm making this for children, so I'm always conscious of the quantity of pepper I use. If your child loves pepper, then you can add more if you like. And now I'm going to blend it into a puree. I don't add much water when I'm blending so that the akara will not be watery. And also you need a very good blender. If you're not taking it to the commercial mill, a very good blender from 750 watts up is always the best blender to blend your beans, so that you are sure that it blends very well. So next I'm going to use my whisk. As you can see, I'm using a hand whisk. If you have your mortar and pestle, for those in Nigeria, then you can use it to whisk your akara so that it will rise and become fluffy. This is how I make my akara if I don't want to use my mixer, which I normally often do. I always prefer this. It makes me even exercise my hands, if you know what I mean. And now I've finished whisking it. I'm going to add my crayfish and then some salt to taste, and that's it. Akara doesn't need much. You can even omit crayfish, but for the kids, that's some added nutrients for them. So that's it for akara, and I added the salt because I'm going to fry all this in one go. If you've got a large batch, then you have to cut out the one that you want to fry first and then add the salt. I'm testing my oil now, and as you can see, my oil is good to go. So I'm going to fry my akara. Once it goes in, it's floating on top, which means my akara is not soaking oil, and you can see how fluffy it is. Once one side is cooked, flip the other side to cook well and brown very well. As you can see, this side is all browned and looking lovely now. And that's it here, my golden brown akara, which they are going to have for their dinner. And today they are going to have it with porridge, and I've added fruits for extra nutrition. You can add any fruit that your child loves in their porridge or pap or custard. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.